What's up? This is J. Cole with the Legacy Group. I don't know if y'all remember this one, but this is Ingleside Ave, and boy, do I have a treat. So now, this property has been transformed to a 4-bedroom, 1 bath, wash and dry in every unit. It's a 3-unit building. Come on and take a look. Amazing, amazing work. These guys are banging this thing out. This is almost done. Kitchen's got granite, new cabinets. I mean, this thing is going to be immaculate. I think it's going to be one of the best multi-units the city's ever seen in a long time. Especially, it's a great area if you're familiar with Grafton Street or Grafton Hill. Just right over the hill off of Grafton Street. And I mean, all the cabinetry work, all new electrical, new. I'm very excited to list this one. So this is the second unit right here, and you see this HVAC in every single unit, all new electrical. So this is going to be boxed in. You got the furnace in the closet. I mean, you really don't see this type of detail in multifamilies in Worcester. And like I said, I'm very honored to have the brokerage, the Legacy Group, list this property in about 3 weeks. So you can come right in on this one too. These hardwood floors are going to be all redone. They'll be beautiful. Again, you got the granite. There'll be all stainless steel appliances in every unit. I mean, this is like literally condo lifestyle at its finest. This thing is from going back to the old footage and seeing it now. This is amazing. Amazing what they did. But yeah, this is J. Cole with the Legacy Group, 82 Ingleside Avenue in Worcester, Mass. The listing will be coming soon. If you are an investor, if you are a buyer, reach out to me. My number is 508-989-6943. Give me a call if you want to get a sneak peek on this and maybe even put in a pre-offer. You know, the owner, he may or may not accept an offer, but you know, let's talk. Let's see if we can put something together. Peace.